talking about the indefinite numerals, some students they are more confused in the concept of few, a few, and the few. So clearing that thing and keeping your vision, I want to tell you what is the difference between these three. What is few, where few is used, where a few is used, and where the few is used. Now few means almost none, ना के बराबर, बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं. द पुअर बैगर हैड फ्यू रुपीज़ इन हिज पॉकेट, मतलब उसकी पॉकेट में कुछ नहीं था. इट इज़ टेकन इन द नेगेटिव सेंस. सो वी यूज़ फ्यू व्हेन वी हैव टू से नो टू समवन. Like if someone is asking me for kid is asking me for toffees, and the baby is crying and saying that please give me toffees, you must be having in your bag, and I am saying no beta, I am having few sweets with me, means ना के बराबर है. I can't give it to you, वो बिल्कुल है नहीं है मेरे पास. सो उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में द पुअर बैगर हैड अ फ्यू रुपीज़ मतलब ना के बराबर है, पैसे नहीं है उसके पास. अ फ्यू व्हेन वी हैव टू से दैट कुछ है, लाइक इट कैन बी हेल्प टू समवन. सो राम हैड अ फ्यू रुपीज़ टू बाय हिज बुक, मतलब वो अपनी बुक जो है वो खरीद सकता है. सो अ फ्यू में वो अपनी बुक जो है वो खरीद सकता है. So that is why the word a few is used. Then the few मतलब जितने उसके पास थे उसने उन्हीं को यूज़ कर लिया. Whatever the amount was, it was a small one, obvious because the word few is used. So जितनी थी उसने सब यूज़ कर ली. Like the few rupees that Ram had, he gave them to the poor beggar. जितने थे उसने सब दे दिए. सो दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ फ्यू, अ फ्यू एंड द फ्यू. सिमिलर इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ लिटल, अ लिटल एंड द लिटल. As I am telling you that it is a similar concept of little, a little, the little, I am keeping a glass which is having water. Can you tell me how much water is there in the glass? The glass is having little water. We can't drink water. It is little one. So the quantity of water is little. Now I am placing another glass with it. Now tell me, can you help someone? Yes, there is a little water in the glass. And if I have to say the little water in which was in the glass, I have given to someone to drink. So this is the concept of little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. Some means कुछ है, something is there. And any is used for negative thing. So used in small quantity in negative sense. Like if we say there is hardly any person who dislikes him, कि शायद ही कोई ऐसा हो जो उसको नापसंद करता है. Like right? So no is also a determiner, and these determiners you have to be very careful if you are choosing for fill in the blanks. So in this way we have to be very careful in choosing the determiner. Now the last part of determiner, interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners, like you know, it is which give you the sense of question, like what, who, which, where. For example, in these sentences we have what do you want to do in life, what would you need for the evening function, what is the time now, whose book is this, whose pencils are these, whose place is he staying in. All these are interrogative determinants. So the first exercise, let's start with it. First is I want apple from the basket. I want apple is beginning from a sound, an apple. In this exercise we have to use just a, an or the. or it is written leave the blank space if there is no need of article. Now the next one, dash church on the corner is progressive, the church. So it is the church is specific one which is being talked in this sentence. Miss Lin speaks dash Chinese. So there is no need of any article. Miss Lin speaks Chinese. There is no a Chinese or an Chinese or the Chinese. Nothing is appropriate in this line. I borrowed a pencil because it is a consonant sound per pencil and ordinary pencil is being used. One of the students said dash professor is late today. The professor, he is talking about his particular professor. Ali likes to play dash volleyball. No article is needed here. Ali likes to play volleyball. I bought dash umbrella to go out in the rain. I bought an umbrella. The sound of is being produced in umbrella. My daughter is learning to play dash violin. My daughter is learning to play the violin at her school. So specific instrument is being talked over here. Please give me the cake that is on the counter. The cake, the specific cake is being talked about, which is on that counter. So please give me the cake. I lived on dash Main Street when I first came to town. Now on Main Street is okay, no article is needed. There is no need of a or the, no article is required. So now students, it's your turn to do exercises in provided I will be providing you with the PDF files also. Please have a look on these exercises. See, this is exercise 1 which I have solved for you. Then comes the exercise 2. There are 10 sentences. It is from your grammar book only, and you have to use the articles a and the, or leave a space blank if there is no article needed. Then comes the third one. Again you have to use the articles. Then the fourth one, yes, you have to use the articles only. So that's all for today. I will be sending you other exercises also, so be prepared. Thank you.